guys, so basically, there's a new Captain Marvel TV spot. I'm trying out a new way of recording, so that it's less laggy, just cleaner. Usually I'll be watching the TV spot or trailer on my laptop, but today I'm watching on my phone. Hopefully there's an endgame TV spot for the Super Bowl, but anyway, let's watch this in 3, 2, 1, now. No one talking yet. I like it. Where's some new footage? Come on. There we go.
Это коммуникатор?
Пейджер. Двухсторонний. Последний писк.
Эй.
Что?
Пейджер.
На.
Марвел представляет Капитан Марвел.
Captain Marvel. Oh jeez. I'm sure that would have been really funny if I could understand it, but it's not in English. It's kind of weird. It seems like usually the first TV spots that come out are in a different language for whatever reason. But new footage, looks funny. I'm really excited for this movie. An unpopular opinion right now is that I actually think this movie is going to be good, and I like the second trailer and the special look. So, pretty unpopular opinion though. Whatever. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. See you guys later. I should maybe make an outro, but I don't really have an outro, so I'm just going to leave it right here.